Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're unboxing something, so let's get it popping. Whoa! Oh my goodness! What do we have here today? Let's get a close-up. Let's take a look. In today's video, we're doing a quick unboxing on my brand new RC car. You guys are probably wondering, Alex, why are you unboxing an RC car on a sneaker channel? And that's because I'm trying to get into some new hobbies, and this is one of the cars that I've been wanting for a very, very long time. And I was like, yo, I'm not gonna buy the car, but I could buy the RC car. So we're gonna do the unboxing here today. If you guys aren't into RC cars, I'm not really either. Like, I'm barely getting into it, and there's so many different parts, so many different pieces that go into it. They're like actual cars. There's people that spend like thousands of dollars on RC cars, and this was a good entry-level car. I'll talk about the price and all that good stuff. There we go. Wow, fancy. Oh, look at the inside. I think you could open this, and this is the background. If you want to take a picture of the car. Look at the box. Like, this presentation is super nice. It has the pinstriping like an Impala would. And this is from REDCAT. So REDCAT makes these. The price on this thing, $600. $600 for an RC car. But the cool thing is that it comes built already, so you don't have to put anything together. Ooh, we have some vinyls, pinstripes, all that good stuff. Look at the stuff that it comes with. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, yes. Oh, dude, this blue is so sick. Dude. Okay, how do I don't want to mess it up. This is too expensive. Dude. We're done with the box. We're gonna get into the stuff that it came with. I don't know what some of these pieces are, so maybe I have to read something, but let's take a close look at this car. Good morning. Oh, they want a bite? Want to give them a bite? Ooh. Initial thoughts of the Impala.
It's so clean. I know it's expensive, but the details on it are crazy.
So this is a 1/10 scale of the 6'4" Impala, and we haven't done anything to it yet. There are some antennas that go in here, and this thing drives. It can hop and do all that good stuff. So maybe later on I will go ahead and show you how all that works. What do you think, Colin?
I like it.
The blue is crazy.
It's super cool.
I used to have a bunch of RC cars when I was a kid, but they were never like this. Like, this is different. Look at that. The details, the quality, super, super crazy.
You should do a clip, you hopping it, and then Colin gets his like Mercedes one and goes under.
Oh, shit. Ends up breaking it. How's the tire pressure? Check it. You have a pump? Look at that.
I just want to see how it bounces.
Here are the batteries. Comes with this. I believe this one's for the car. This, I don't know. This one is the adapter, I think. USB adapter. And then, I don't know what these plates are for, but they're super heavy. Maybe it weighs it down. I don't know yet. And this might be for the controller. So we're gonna get everything charged up and ready to go, and then we can go hop in. This is what the shell looks like with it off, and as you guys can see, I mentioned it so many times, but it's super detailed. So we got that, and then this is the car naked. Wow, looks completely different, but you can see all the details they got on this. They have a strap for the battery. Battery gets connected here. on switch right here, and then there's also stickers for the interior, so it makes it look a little bit more realistic. We'll mess with that later, and you can see more of like the suspension components. Whoa, super cool. We didn't charge the battery. We're gonna see if it has any juice left in there, and we have some antennas we need to install. Boom, right there.
Oh, because you switch these all up.
Yeah. We're doing a quick test right now. Dude, that's sick.
Oh, get the tea bag.
Oh, dude, that's fire. Putting the clips back on. Car's on, I think. Controller's on. Should we do it in the...
Yeah, let's do it.
Where the piano is?
Mm-hmm.
This is sick. Okay. Ah. Let me three-wheel. Whoa, it's kind of hard to drive on cycles. Hey, what's up, homie? Hold on. There you go. How do you... Oh.
Ooh. Ooh.
You think I can hop it back?
Hop it. You gotta like time it. How do you make it go high? It says it goes like 9 inches.
Wait, how do I do what?
Like hop it high. It said it goes like 9 inches up.
Let's see. Okay, so this is the controller. We have different parts. So this one raises the rear. We'll do it right here. See that? Raises the rear. Raises the rear. Okay. Could do it with the button like this. If you're up here, you can drop it. And then the fronts. That's the fronts. Full display right here. Looks like we have full battery on everything.
Oh, you got it.
Dang. Let's go. Jesus.
Hello. It's Colin's turn.
Have some fun, man. Oh. Oh, shit. $600 RC car, $60 RC car, $30 RC car. Ow. Ow,
The
dude.
turning sucks.
Park it. Yeah. Dang, there you go. We're doing a race. Quick race, all the way down there. Do you want me to line you guys up? All right, 3, 2, 1, go. I'm running away. Colin took the dub on that one. I didn't have the chance to end this video, so I'm gonna end it right here. You guys are probably gonna be seeing more of this RC right here. I'm gonna learn a lot more about it. There's so many things I gotta learn. They actually come with super sick like LED kits and all that. So maybe in a future video, I'll be installing the LEDs right here. So I have actual, you know, working headlights, and I think they have tails maybe, I don't even know. I just gotta do my research. I've been playing around with this thing all day and it's been really, really fun. Look, I know how to pop it now. I know how to pop it. Let's see. Just like that. I know this video was super random, but like I said, I just wanted to document some of the new stuff that I'm getting into. Since sneakers has always been my hobby, but I've also been getting into other stuff. I've always loved cars, but I've never had the chance to get into RC cars like this. And like I said, this is a pretty expensive hobby to get into, but I'm super excited. I've always wanted a 6'4" Impala, and it's not the right time to be buying one for me right now, but I will enjoy this and one day I will have one. That's about it, guys. Let me know if you're into RCs or if you have any like tips or tricks or people to follow in the RC world. Let me know down below. I appreciate all the knowledge. Thank you guys for supporting me. I hope y'all enjoy this little journey that we're about to go on because I think it's gonna be super dope. All right, catch y'all very soon for the next video though. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Deuces.
Blueberry, Burberry, butternut, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.